Tell them about your dress.
My back is open because the wind blows. It's very strong.
The wind?
It will blow me away.
Really?
Yeah.
Where did you go today? Where did you go?
To the park.
What did you do there? What did you do there?
Play with. Who is in the park jumping in the trampoline?
I did not ask what's her name. It's a baby, no?
Yes.
Did she enjoy it?
I'm jumping with her.
Really? And then?
And then I saw something. I just get it and kill it. Something.
What did you kill?
It's nothing.
So tell the guys, did you enjoy in the park? I tell them.
Yeah.
And then after the park, where did you go?
Home.
No, you went for walking.
Yes.
And then what did you see in there?
Sea and birdie.
Birdies and what? There's water there. Remember?
Yeah.
And then you says to me, Mom, we will fall. I said, no. And then you says to me, we are safe? And I said, yeah, we are safe.
Christmas coming tomorrow.
Christmas?
He's sleeping.
Christmas coming tomorrow.
But he's sleeping.
Yeah, you mean Christmas is Santa Claus. Santa Claus only comes once a year, only December. That is Denise's birthday. And then what will you sing in Christmas?
Jingle bells.
How you sing it?
Jingle bells like that.
Sige, sing it.
No, tomorrow.
Oh,
when
you will
we go to sleep. When we go to sleep.
Okay, when we go to sleep, you will sing that?
Yeah.
And then what you will get in December? On Christmas, what will you get?
Book.
What people give you?
My book. Just will give my book.
Presents, yeah?
Yeah. Just will give his book. He shared to me.
Really?
And I like it.
That's good.
It's about a dinosaur.
What about it? Can you tell me a story about it?
No, when we go to sleep.
Okay, when we go to sleep. What can you tell me then?
I need to go
Where?
in the kitchen to get something.
Something nice?
Yeah.
Are you allowed to eat chocolate?
No, just leave.
What will you get?
It's allowed.
It's allowed, okay.
But I need to eat it.
You need to eat it.
Yeah, because it will melt.
Okay, get one and then tell me what's in it. What's in what you get? Show me. Go, you go. B, what did you get? B?
Chocolate.
What it says in it?
Chocolate.
Really? Let me see it. It's okay. Okay. I'll open it.